Hello and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i, and today I'm going to show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. And restart could be useful if something is not working on your watch properly. Maybe it's sluggish, unresponsive, something doesn't want to open. You could try to restart the watch and hopefully that will solve your problems. So let's get started. And to restart our watch, we need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. Once the menu appears, you will see the restart option. Tap on it and then wait until the watch is done rebooting, which takes a few seconds. As you can see, you're back in the system, and that's how you restart this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.